Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you the placement prediction system using machine learning. So let's open the project folder. This will be the dataset folder. Let's open the CSV file. Now in the columns, there are age, gender, stream, internships, CGPA, hostel, history of backlogs, placed or not, and number of rows. So let's scroll down. So it shows 2967 rows are there. Okay, in that particular dataset. And with different branches like electrical, civil, mechanical, computer science, information technology, and the gender, age. Okay, so let's close this, go back. Now images folder. Those images are used for the interface part, about us button, predict button, about us page. It will give the complete information about project like introducing placement predictor, a software that uses machine learning to predict the job placement for aspiring candidates. The software is designed to analyze various parameters such as age, gender, stream, number of internship done, cumulative, grade point, average CGPA, number of backlogs, and whether the candidate is hosteler. So job predictor was trained on multiple machine learning model and has been fine tuned to achieve the highest accuracy possible. After evaluating several models, the job predict team selected the best performing model for deployment. The selected model is the random forest classifier, which is achieved an accuracy of 89.05%. When a candidate entered their information into the placement predictor, the software runs the data through the random forest model and predicts the candidate's is likelihood of being placed. The model is trained to identify the pattern and predict the outcome based on the candidate parameters. Okay, this will be the home page. Let's close. Just go back. Now these are the model folder. Like we are using the random forest model. Let's go back. And this will be the main file. Like this will be the interface part code. We are importing the libraries in the starting 6 line. And then we are importing the model. Model is equal to joblib.load and giving the path of that model. And we are creating the home window with the title placement predictor. And we are importing the home.jpg image with the size geometry 1080 into 720. And now we are defining the function about function where we are importing the about.jpg image and giving the title placement predictor and give the geometry 1080 into 720. So let's scroll down. Now here we are defining the predict function. If age equal to 0, then error age cannot be 0, else in the else condition it will give that particular command. So after that we are defining the function like branches, gender, entry box for the age, gender, and the option menu, CGPA, backlogs, and the home and hostler. Okay, and we are importing the 1.jpg image and 2.jpg image from the images folder. So let's close. Now this will be the training code of that placement prediction model. Now in the starting line, we are importing the libraries. Then we are reading the dataset file. And here data exploration, df.shape. Now we are giving the array for all those input. Feature engineering, gender X and Y, model selection, classification report. And here we are saving that particular model in the model folder as random forest model.sav. Okay, so let's close that. This will be the requirement file. Here we are showing all the library with their versions. Okay, let's close. Now let's run the main file, main.py file. Open terminal here and then write python space main.py. Then enter. Now here it will open the home page. So we have to enter the age like 25, your gender, male, branch, computer science, Number of internship done 10. Community grade point 9.2. Number of backlog 0. And are you a hostler? No. Then click on the predict button. So it will show the congratulations. The chances of you getting place is very high. Let's click on OK. Now let's change the other detail. Enter the age 23. Your gender female. Streaming civil. Number of internship done 0. Cumulative grade point 5. Number of backlogs 15. And Hari Hostler no. Then click on the predict. So the chances of you getting place is very low. Okay, let's click on OK. Now let's change the values. Your age 24. Gender male. Streaming mechanical. Number of internship done 2. Cumulative grade point 7. Number of backlogs 5. And Hari Hostler yes. Then click on predict button. So it will show the chances of you getting place is very low. Okay, let's change the age 22. Gender female. Streaming electronic communication. Number of internship done 5. Cumulative grade point 8. Number of backlogs 0. And are you a hostler? Yes. Then click on predict button. So the congratulations, the chances of you getting place is very high. Then click on OK button. This will be the about us page where it will give the complete information about project. And this project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the graphical user interface. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching projects related to computer science domain, then you can contact us. We are providing projects in multiple domain like Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, web development, game development, and app development. So let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.